Good afternoon. So who is Proaction? Simply stated, we keep industrial facilities online. One of our customers is a $20 million manufacturer of building products. And currently they have 12% downtime. And they wish to get to 7%. That's $1 million extra on their top line. One of the reasons for their downtime is unexpected failure of machines. And fixing machines after they fail rather than proactively using predictive maintenance. That's where we come in. We're the first to offer a cloud-connected machine health monitoring and alert system that's all-inclusive of all hardware, software, and expertise. Plus, it installs about 5 minutes. This is the future of industrial machine maintenance technology. The system works on rotating machines, and these happen to be the workhorses that keep our society running. The company's been in business for we just celebrated our 1-year anniversary last week, and the first 9 months we were in beta phase, installed our system at 4 facilities. We got our first purchase order in June, and during that time we also won the NCIDEA grant. My co-founder and I have 40 years of highly relevant experience with industrial and high-tech backgrounds. We just hired our first employee a couple of weeks ago, and we're led by, we're guided by a great team of advisors. So currently, we've been fortunate to pave a little bit of runway with some local angels, and are currently searching for a lead investor, ideally with some background in industrial technology, who can help us get to the next stage and capitalize on this great opportunity. We also love introductions to manufacturing facilities, plant managers, other folks who are responsible for keeping plants running. So please stop by our booth, learn more, and see our demo, and we'd love to talk to you. Thank you.
Unfortunately, Michael Cousins with Forecast Health was unable to make it today. So next we have Robert Preville of KWIPPED.
Corporations, organizations, government entities, and small businesses rent $50 billion a year in equipment. Factors that drive equipment rentals include limited capital budgets and short-term needs. Oftentimes, when an organization rents equipment, they can pass through the cost of that rental to their customer. When worldwide clinical trials needed a centrifuge for a drug study, they rented it. And when the Michigan International Speedway needed a defibrillator and patient monitor to host a NASCAR event, they rented it. However, renting equipment can be difficult. It can be time-consuming, and oftentimes rental options don't exist. I know this from my last company, which I sold, that was in the niche rental business. I experienced firsthand the pain our customers felt when they needed expensive equipment for short term, but a rental option wasn't available. So KWIPPED is a B2B equipment rental marketplace. We span 20 industry verticals with equipment applications ranging from laboratory and medical to construction and engineering. We've sourced a network of suppliers who have uploaded over $40 million in assets to our marketplace. Companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, Sherwin-Williams, General Dynamics, and the University of Chicago Medical Center have rented through our platform. Growing a marketplace can be very rewarding, but it's a lot of work. I know this from my experience as a founding employee with a company called MFG. We built an online marketplace for manufacturing services, and we sold it to Jeff Bezos in 2004. My name is Robert Preville, and I'm the founder of KWIPPED. I would invite you to stop by our table in the demo room, and I look forward to telling you how KWIPPED is on its way to becoming the premier equipment rental marketplace. Thank you.
Thank you, Robert. Next up is Thomas Doochin of CommuniGift.
So there are 18 million kids' birthday parties in the United States every year. And we're building the first platform that enables party guests to buy a gift for a child in need that the host has chosen. I'm Thomas Doochin, one of the co-founders at CommuniGift, and it's an absolute pleasure to be back in the Triangle where it all started. Since launching our pilot 9 months ago, we've launched 3 additional markets, have seen 40% plus month-over-month growth, have graduated from Carolina, and have just closed our seed round. We work with nonprofits from around the country to find children in need and enable donors to buy items off of their wish list through integration with our retail and manufacturing partners. We've seen some incredible organic growth with a viral coefficient exceeding 4 over the past several months. Based on this data, we think 300,000 birthdays will use CommuniGift in the next 3 years. That's 300,000 kids that are exposed to the importance and joy of helping others. That's 5 million gifts to children who normally go without on their birthday. Things like backpacks and books and educational toys. And that's over $60 million in revenue. So we've just relocated to DC and are gearing up to launch our 3 next markets and our holiday platform by the end of 2016. We're getting ready to make our 2 next hires in the operational and marketing realms, and we'll be announcing a strategic partnership with a Forbes Top 20 corporation in the coming months. But more than all of the data and numbers, we're most excited about the feedback we've heard from parents, nonprofits, and manufacturers. The response has been too positive for this to be an accident. We truly believe that giving is better than receiving, and all of the data supports that. In all of our experiences, we're seeing people resonate with this platform in ways they never had before. We're aiming to reinvent giving by redefining what it means to feel special on top of a platform that ties financial success directly to impact. We're CommuniGift. Thank you very much.
Next, we have Jay Dawkins of Cityzen.
Thanks for the intro. All right. Imagine for a moment that you're Home Depot, and you've got a new line of consumer grills that you want to introduce to the market. But unfortunately, the same line of traditional advertising display networks you've been using are becoming less and less effective at getting your message across, especially because people like us are becoming blind to those little standardized boxes on our web pages. So imagine instead that you try something different. You work with a startup that can put your ad directly into articles related to your grilling content. Articles like baseball stories, July 4th, hot weather. And they can not only put that ad directly into that content, but they can format it in a way that's friendly to the publisher site that it's on. And they make it interactive. They add survey questions to the article advertising that ask questions like, what do you grill out when you grill? Are you grilling out for July 4th? What do you think about this grill? Have you seen one of these yet? And then you watch as those ads outperform your traditional display network advertising by over 100 times more interaction. And not only that, but drive more click-throughs, 10 times more click-throughs to your product pages, delivering the sales results you need as a brand. Well, the great part is you don't have to imagine anymore. That's the kind of work we do at Cityzen. I'm Jay Dawkins, the co-founder and CEO. We partner with premium publishers like WRAL to place an ad script on their page that can support this better, premium, enhanced version of advertising that not only engages the user, but also collects data and drives more revenue per page view. So if that's something that could benefit your company, whether you're a brand looking to reach more people and get better advertising ROI, or if you know someone in the online publishing business that's looking to increase their revenue and their engagement on their site, we can help. Come talk to me. I'm in the demo room in the center aisle, and although we couldn't get a grill into CED, we do have chocolate. And in addition to that, we'll be giving away over $500 in online advertising here at the conference. So I'd love to talk to you and see how we can help. Thanks so much.
Thank you. And finally, we have Sylvain Dufour of Photoswipe.
Good afternoon. My name is Sylvain Dufour, and I'm PhotoSwipe founder and CEO. Exactly 2 years ago, I was standing here on that stage introducing my 4th startup, PhotoSwipe, an innovative photo sharing application. At the time, we were putting the final touches on a new way to share photos by simply using drag and drop between 2 phones. So much has happened in the last 24 months. Our application has been downloaded now 2.5 million times in 200 countries. PhotoSwipe users now swipe 14 million photos every single month. During this journey, we're extremely lucky to meet investors who shared our vision and ended up receiving $1.4 million in funding. So the good news is I won't try to get any money from you today. We'll soon be launching the third generation of PhotoSwipe. We are totally revamping the user interface, and we will be supporting any type of file, as well as any type of device, laptop, tablet, and computers. We will also start focusing on monetization. Our first revenue stream will come from photo prints. With 2 billion smartphones equipped with cameras, the printing market is a growing market that still lacks delivery convenience and is really underserved in many, many countries. Prints will be shipped and delivered to the user's mailbox within 2 days, and that wherever they live in the world. So we're always looking for advisors, partners, new ideas, connection in the industry. So if you think you can help or you simply want to chat, please get in touch with me. Thank you very much.